Hello, and welcome to the inaugural episode of Making It Vegan. I am John. I am your host. I am a new vegan, basically. Been vegan since probably August of 2023. So, kind of new to this stuff, and been trying to find recipes to make some of my favorite things, and I found one. I've been doing research and things, and what we're going to hit today is just sour cream. How to make sour cream vegan. And also did some research finding out about how you shouldn't really eat a lot of oil. And so this recipe has absolutely no oil. So it's hard to see, or you can't see it. I'm not going to say hard to see because you can't see it. But literally right below me, I'll pick it up, yes. I've got my blender, and it has the majority of the ingredients in it already. 2.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup water, and 1 juiced lemon. Yeah. So, only thing left to do now is add the boiled cashews, which right here. So, you can either boil the cashews for 5 to 10 minutes the day you want to make it, or you can soak them for like 10 hours or something. I decided it'd be faster, easier to boil them right now because that's what I wanted to do. I didn't want to make this recipe tomorrow. I want to make it today. So I'm gonna get the cashews stuck into the blender, and we'll get going. Okay, so as you can see, the cashews are now in the blender, and just going to blend it up for a little bit, and we'll go from there. I'm going to so I've got the Instapot blender. I'm going to put it on the smoothie setting and just blend it until it's smooth. So it's going to go for like a minute and a half, and I'll come back when it's done because this is going to get loud. All right, so there it is. There is the sour cream. It's totally blended. It blended for about a minute and a half, or minute 38, really. And it hit it in like 5-second pulses. So it blend for 5 seconds, go off for 3 to 5 seconds, and then blend it again. And here it is. So now the all important part. Time for the taste test. So just putting my spoon in there and pulling it out. It's thick. It is fairly thick. You could thin it out if you wanted to by adding some more water. Let's give it a taste. That's really good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm reading all the reviews and stuff online, and for this kind of organic stuff, vegan, made it yourself, and they said it was going to be very sour. And I mean, you can taste a hint of that lemon. You can get that sourness, but ultimately, it's really not bad. Now, I may blend it for a little bit more just after I end the video because it does taste. It's a little grainy from the ground up cashews, but I mean, it shouldn't be too bad. You might be able to get around cashews if either like you're allergic to cashews, or you're just not a big fan of cashews. But I'm not sure. I have not done that research, and so I don't know. But it's pretty good. So starting from now on, I'm going to be having recipe videos on here on this channel. Like, share, subscribe if you're interested. If you thought this was okay, if you thought this was a decent video. Now, I probably do sound echoey. That's honestly because I have you guys in my cabinet because I have a very small kitchen. But yeah. So I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. See y'all later.